Let's unpack my newly received Poco X6 Pro ordered from AliExpress. Let's start by opening the package. Pretty simple. It was received within 10 days of ordering, which is pretty good. And here we go. The Poco X6 Pro. Brand new. Here we go. Beautiful package. And it is brand new from AliExpress for 260 euros, bought during the Black Friday. Okay, it is compatible with 5G and of course with everything from Google. Okay, and let's open the package. Let's try not to destroy it. So here, let's open it slowly. Let's try to keep the package intact in case we ever need to resell it. And here we go. The protection plastic comes out. Okay. And now we can open it slowly. Here we are. Beautiful Poco X6 Pro. Beautiful package. And now let's check what's inside. So what do we have here inside? So here we have a pin to open the SIM card slot. We have some warranty card, safety information, and it includes the protection case. So here we have the protection case and the phone, of course. Oh, the phone is pretty heavy. It's heavier than X3 Pro. Okay, flagship model, CrystalRes, 64 megapixel triple camera, 67 watt turbo charging, 5000 mAh battery. Okay, what else do we have in the pack? Let's check it. Also, we have a wall charger with a USB compatible. Can we see how many watts? Can we read how many watts? So it's 5 volt, 15 watts. I'm not sure if it's very visible. Here, 15 watts. Okay. Of course, a USB cable. USB-C cable, and that's all. So here is everything we have included, namely the phone, the protection case in silicone, and the charger, wall charger with a USB-C cable. Okay, now let's open our phone. So here we go. Okay, with the various cameras. Let's check how to open this. So here, open it slowly. Here we go. And this is the phone. Wow, it's beautiful. Can we turn it on? Yes, it is even turning on. So this is the Poco X6 Pro 5G with 256 megabytes. Can we get the protection case? Let's get the protection case out. It's the new Xiaomi HyperOS. Let's protect it directly. The silicone case is very tight. Okay, and here we are. It is turning on. Okay, so we can of course choose the language. I will choose English United States. Okay, choose the region, whatever, and as we can see, the phone is charging. So for example, okay, let's say I'm not in France. I am in LMNOP. I am in Poland. So apparently the screen is without protection. So when you get this phone, you should get an extra screen protection. So I will order one right away. That seems to be missing. From what I can see, there is no screen protection, so we need an extra one. Okay, yeah, we accept everything. We didn't put a SIM card yet. Okay, so we have to insert SIM card. Okay, so now let's insert SIM card and try to do a proper turn on.